Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to find the perimeter of a trapezium? And as we said in the previous lessons, a perimeter is the total distance outside a shape. And in this case, our shape is a trapezium. So the perimeter we are talking about is the distance outside this trapezium, which is A plus B plus C plus D. This is because a trapezium has all the sides. None of the sides is equal to any other. So, with that knowledge, of course, the perimeter then of a trapezium becomes A plus B plus C plus D, where each of these values takes on one side. For example, here I say 10 plus this B plus C, 10 plus D. So with that knowledge, can we try to solve an example here? So you are told a trapezium has sides labeled as A, B, C, and D. Then side A is 12 centimeter, side B is 7 centimeter, side C is 8 centimeter, and side D is 5 centimeter. Then find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, I can just say perimeter P is given by side A plus side B plus side C plus side D, like that. But I already know A, I already know B, I know C, and I know D. So can we confirm their values? So A is 12, B is 7. A is 12, B is 7, then C is 8, and D is 5. This 8 and this 5. So to get the perimeter P, you need to take 12 plus 7, which is for B, plus 8, which is for C, plus 5, which is for D. Then it becomes, if I take 12 plus 8 is 20, plus 7 is 27, then 27 plus 5 is 32. So the perimeter of that trapezium becomes 32 centimeters. Can we try another example? Sometimes you can be given expressions as the length of the sides. Like in this example here, you are told a trapezium has sides A, B, C, and D, where A is x plus 3. So you see it's not a real value, it's an expression. Then B is 2x, and C is x minus 1, and then D is 5. Then you are told find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. So in a case like this, of course, let's first of all copy all these values where we have A, B, C, and D. So with all these values, we already know our perimeter of a trapezium is given by P is equals to A plus B plus C plus D, like that. But we already know A is x plus 3. Then we already know B is 2x. Then we already know C is x minus 1. And then we know D is 5. Then from there, I can open these brackets and say x plus 3 plus 2x for B, then plus x minus 1 for C, then plus 5 for D. And from there I can group like terms together, and now it becomes x plus 2x, just move this x here, then plus this next x here, then plus 3, this one, then minus 1, this one, then plus 5, like that. Then from there, I can add these variables here, which is x plus 2x plus x. That will be x plus 2x is 3x plus x is 4x. Then 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. Plus 7. So the perimeter P of that trapezium becomes 4x plus 7 because you were told to write the perimeter in terms of x. Well, how about if sometimes you are told the perimeter of you are given the perimeter in full, like in this one, you are told the perimeter of a trapezium is 34 centimeters, then you are given 3 sides and you asked to find the missing side. How do we go about it? First, you already know perimeter P of a trapezium is given by A plus B plus C plus D for the sides. So from there, we can pick the sides we already have. And in this case, we have one side we can call it A, which is 8 centimeters. Then we have B, which is 7 centimeters. And we have C, which is 9 centimeters. And we have D, which we don't know. It's the one we are asked. And then we have the total perimeter P given as 34 centimeters. 34 centimeters, like that. Then from there, we can apply this formula by replacing these values so that we can get the missing value here. So to do so, we need to just say P, which is 34 centimeters, is equals to A, but we already know A is 8, then plus B, but we know B is 7, then plus C, but we know C is 9, then plus D, because we don't know D. We put it just like that. And from there, we can say this 34 is equals to 8 plus 7 plus 9. So 8 plus 7 will be 15. Then 15 plus 9 would be 24. So we say 24 plus D, like that. And then to get D, we move 24 on the other side. Now it becomes 34 minus 24 is equals to D, like that. So 34 minus 24 is 10 is equals to D, like that. So our D here now becomes 10 centimeters. So if you take 10 centimeters, let's take it here again, apply all the values here. So we take which was 8 centimeters, then plus B, which was 7, then plus C, which was 9, then plus D, which was 10 now, because we got it there. Then we have them 2B, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 9 is 24, then 24 plus 10 is 34. The perimeter we are given here as the total, and because the total perimeter we are told is 34. So that's how we find the perimeter of a trapezium. If you have any question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.